Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create image polls on YouTube. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube, and then you need to click on your channel icon in the top right and click on your channel, and then you need to go into the community, and here you need to create a post. So let me create your favorite social media platform. Okay, click on image poll, and here I'm going to add an option. So first one, I'm going to select YouTube. The second one, I'm going to click on that and select the Instagram. Click on add option, and the third one is I'm going to select the Facebook, and the fourth one I'm going to select the Twitter. So let's name that Instagram, and this one is Facebook, and the last one is Twitter. And if you want, you can reposition images as well, like this. If you want, you can reposition. So I'm going to click on save changes. Okay, and here you can see your favorite social media platform. So let me add a question mark and click on post. So it will take few seconds, and here you can see that your favorite social media platform. So as you can see that it is created. So this is the simple process by which you can create image polls on YouTube. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.